Alright, well, I was gonna see if I'm live at all. Oh, hold on, this one I have to, wait, no, that's, why, okay, there we go. Is this live? Yeah, okay, it's live. Alright, well, I was gonna see I'm just gonna mute this. Okay. Well, what's up, guys? So, in this live stream, I'm gonna be working on my fishing game. Yeah, as you can see by the title. Alright, so this is where we left off. So, in the last update, we didn't do much because I ended up like playing Forsaken with my friend. Um, yeah, so it's really not that much that we added last time. Um, what I was working on was this treasure chest. So I'm gonna like actually make that work. Okay, so what I'm gonna do at first is set that to 144. Then I can duplicate this for if it's greater, run. So this would be if it's um so that should be 143. Hold on. So if it's greater than 143 and less than 140 145, then we'll switch the costume to not mythical, treasure chest. And then I guess this fish price will be like 1,000. Okay, so that's just like a really OP fish. Um, so I'm just gonna like spawn one in really quickly. So I'm gonna just do like 143, 144 to 144. Then it should only be fish, or not fish, treasure chests. Alright, yeah, there's one. We can sell that for 1,000. That's insane. I gotta make this bigger though. Like, this is really tiny. Let's see if that's big enough. That should be big enough. Okay, yeah, that's pretty big, honestly. I feel like that's too big. Okay, so I'm just gonna shrink that down a little bit. Yeah, I think that's good. But now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make it like, I'm gonna make it toward like the treasure chest. When it spawns, it'll be like in a random direction. Then I will, so I'm gonna put this point in direction, pick random, minus 180 to 180. Okay, now it's like in like a random direction whenever I like do it, whenever it like spawns in. Okay, that's pretty good. These treasure chests are OP. I wish there was like a way to make it rarer without like using a decimal. But nope, there's not. Um, no, I keep all this in here. But what I was gonna put back was that. Alright. Um, there was also a list of things that I added, like a ton of different things. So right over here, you got a bunch of things. I'll just read it all. So first was treasure coins, which we just did. Then next thing was crystal treasure. Then there was achievements. Then temporary boost, like you can buy from like a shop. Like ×2 money for a minute, or ×2 spawn rate for a minute. And then there's prestiging, which will basically like you'll reset everything, but you'll get like a money multiplier. Then there'll be ultra rare fishes that are just like not things that don't actually exist, like boot fish, banana fish. Hold on, I gotta spell that right, like that. And then space salmon. And then next would be upgrade tree, like my other game, like the upgrade tree from my other game, Dash for Cash. And then customizable boat skins that you can buy. That will be like one of the upgrades in the upgrade tree. And then a fish, like fish storage with new upgrades. So like you can hold like a max amount of fish unless you like upgrade it in the shop. Okay. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is like the crystal treasure, I guess. So I'm gonna delete all these coins because coins are not crystals. Okay, now I'm gonna actually make like the art for the crystals. And I gotta put that. Hold on, I'm just gonna like copy and paste that into there. So it's like at the same exact position. Alright, now time to do this. So I'll make them kind of like pinkish. Like that, pinkish purple kinda. It'll be like this. Now I'm gonna use the reshape tool. Do that, make it pointed. Maybe like move that up a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so that was like 30, I think. Okay, so this should be good. That looks pretty good. I could make them like a little smaller though. With that, wait, no, that's like the same exact size. Okay, but it doesn't matter. It's good. This one, it'll be a little bit more tedious to like make because I'll have to like focus on like the rotation too. Well, with the coins I didn't because of course it'll just look the same no matter what, how much I rotate it. I like one like right there. I'll do that. So I'm gonna add one more. I'm gonna put it like right here. Like that. That looks pretty good, honestly. I think that actually looks pretty good. So, just making sure this is centered. Okay. This one is crystal treasure. No, what just happened, bro? What is this? No, I don't want that. Then this one is coin treasure. So I'm gonna make like the crystal treasure like 1,500 instead of just 1,000, even though it'll be the same rarity. So that'll be 144 and 146. So if it's exactly 145, then it'll be crystal treasure. Then fish price 1,500. Same thing for everything else. Then I gotta change that to 145. Then just for testing, 145, and let's check this out. So there's the crystal treasure, 1,500. There's that, yeah. Okay, it's working, yep. Alright, so we got crystal treasure done. The thing was in this spray, okay. And now next up on the list is achievements. Oh yeah, one thing I forgot to mention was that instead of streaming from 7 to 8, I don't know when I'll end the stream, but I'm gonna stream longer for 1 hour. I'll do this on Fridays and Saturdays, and today is Friday, just because like weekends and like school. Okay, yeah. Alright, so achievements. This one might take a little long. So catch your first fish, catch a mythical, and catch 100 fish. Okay. Um. So I'm gonna make a new sprite. Achievements. No, I spelled that wrong. Achievements like that. Alright, so this first one will be What do we call this one? First cat. And I'm gonna make it like kind of like brown background. I think it'd be like gradient from like lightish brown to like way darker brown. Yeah, that looks pretty good. That gradient's pretty good. Now I'm gonna make the outline 10. So first I'm gonna make like a picture for it. So I'm gonna make like a kind of like a completely like white square. They'll have an outline though, but just like white inside. Like that. Okay, seeing if that fits. I should make the outline a little smaller. And then maybe like size it down a bit like that. Okay. I'm gonna do that. Then I'm gonna actually make the art now. I'm gonna be drawing this with like the paint tool. So um I'm gonna draw like a fishing rod. So I'm gonna get like this rod over here, copy paste that into there. There it is. But I'm gonna make it way smaller so it actually like fits in the canvas. Now I'm gonna turn off like snapping really quickly. So I'm gonna scale that down. I'm gonna like draw like a white line, but like I'm gonna make it like a little gray so you can still tell that it's there, like that. Okay, then it'll be like on like caught onto like a fish. You can make it lighter than that. Something like that. So it'll be like that. Then there'll be like a grayish hook or grayer hook. Not that does not look that good. Like that. Then I want to like copy and paste like a common fish. I'm gonna copy, paste that. Where is it? No, it's right there. This is gonna have to be way smaller. And like rotate it like that. But I'm still gonna make that smaller. So that's the picture for that. That's what it's gonna be. I'm gonna link that together or like group it. All right, and then I'm gonna add the actual text saying like what achievement you got, and like how you got it. Um, first catch will be like that. Oh, I can add snapping back now. Scale that down a little bit. Then I'm gonna add like smaller text that's not bold. That'll say catch your first fish. Or there you go. That's good. And this will basically be like the entire like look of like every achievement. And then next one is um I'm just gonna do it like 100 or something. I don't really know. What if I just make it like the 100 emoji? I think that'd be cool. Let's do that. We'll copy, paste that right there. Yeah, I think that's pretty good. It's kind of like a weird Easter egg kind of thing. Um, catch 100 fish. There we go. I'll just add like a like little text here that says 100 or something. I'll do that. All right, 100. All right, and then the last one is I don't know what to call it. I know what it was. It was like like catching a mythical or something. All right. Well, if I don't know, I'll just ask the one and only Chat GPT. All right. So what I'm gonna do is ask it, what should the name for my achievement um oh, why am I doing that? For my achievement um where you have to catch a mythical fish be called. What should the name for my achievement where you have to catch a mythical fish should be called? Um, so there's Legend of the Lake, Myths Made Real, Hook the Impossible, Tales Become True, The One That Shouldn't Exist, Reeled in a Legend, Beyond Belief, The Fisher's Myth, Against All Odds, and God of the Sea. I feel like either Legend of the Lake or God of the Sea is good. I think I can do God of the Sea. I think that one should be good. Okay. God of the Sea. Only people watching the stream will know that I used ChatGPT for this. Catch a mythical fish. Alright, well I guess these will only be like the three in the game, I guess. I might add more like in like future streams. Or maybe even later in this stream, I don't know. I can see myself like um making more achievements in the near future. With that, okay. I wanna like zoom in. I'm gonna like paste that there. Oh yeah, way smaller. I gotta make that way smaller. No, no. Oh my gosh. Paste that in there. Or I think that's good. I just gotta delete that. There we go. That looks pretty good. Okay. And now we're gonna make these achievements work, and then add a list to show all the achievements that you can like open up. I think minus 130. Yeah, I think that's good. Maybe set the size to like 150 or something. No, no, no. Like 130, I think should be good. Maybe 120. Yeah, 120 is good. Or one flag. Okay. One flag clicked. Set size to 120%, and then go to x0 y minus 130. Okay, and then this, I'm not gonna do it like I did in the in Dash for Cash. I mean, it's kind of like an easy way to do it. It's not really optimized, but it still works, so it's good. It's like it takes a bunch of blocks. You have like a ton of achievements though. This one only has 3, so it should be good. I will have to add a new variable, which will be total fishes caught. Then over here I will, there's it. No, this is the wrong sprite. And fishes, I will, um, um, if touching hook and mouse down, repeat until touching bow. Okay. Change total fishes caught by 1. Wait until total fishes caught, no, not equals, is greater than 0. So if it's 1 or more. Until total fishes caught is greater than 0. And then we will, I think I just like thought of like a new way to like make this like somewhat more optimized. They'll still have like a few scripts though, but it'll be more optimized. Um, show achievement. Not run for screen refresh because there's going to be an animation. Show achievement, but then I will add the switch costume to first catch, and then repeat 10 times. Wait, hold on, over here I have to set ghost effect to 100 and also hide. Hiding should be like one of the first things on there, like right there. Maybe even right there. Okay, now repeat 10, change ghost effect by -10, so then like fades in. But also we will show, then I'll like wait like 3 seconds, then repeat 20 times, change ghost effect by 5. Okay, so hold on, so I'm gonna like get my first fish, first catch. Oh, hold on, I gotta make this like forever go to front layer. I'm gonna move all this stuff over there. There we go. Then forever go to front layer. So it'll be in front of literally everything except for your mouse. Hey. Oh, I have to reset the variables. I forgot about that. So set what just happened? Where did it just go? Set total fishes caught to 0. Okay, that's just a stupid scratch bug. Why is it doing that? Okay, finally. I'll have to add like a wait 1 second there maybe. Okay, there you go. There you go, first catch. Then it should be in front of other fish. I can't really test that though. It's kind of based off luck. Test that. Okay. And now this is where like we're gonna need a lot of scripts. So then we're gonna wait 1 second, wait until total fishes caught is greater than 99, then switch costume to 100, and then there's that script, and then lastly, this one we're gonna need another variable, mythical caught, for all sprites. There we go. Wait until mythical caught I'm gonna change this to an equals. Then we're gonna switch costume to God of the Sea. Now I'm gonna make this variable like actually do something. I don't know how I would like. I had to like hard code this somewhere. So I'm gonna like. I guess I'll just go right here. Then so I'm gonna put it right here, right before the if. Then if costume number, I think is 7. No, 6. If costume number equals 6, where is that? So if costume number equals 6, then set mythical caught to yes. Then in this sprite, we're gonna have to reset the variable. So set mythical caught to no. But I think that's really, it didn't actually take that much blocks, 35. But it did take 1, 2, 5 scripts. Okay, so first catch, there we go. It'll take a long time to get to, um, 100. So I'm just gonna set that to 2 right now, just for testing. Wait, no, 1. Okay, there's that. Then I can do the next one. 100. All right, let's go. That works. And then I like how I did the emoji. So mythical caught equals yes. So to test this, I can just do like, what is it? I can do 140, no, 143 to 143. 143 to 143. Okay. God of the sea, catch a mythical fish. Okay, okay, I actually think that that one looks so good. Hey, hold on, I'm gonna get some water really quickly. I have my water bottle right next to me, so I don't really have to like go off of the stream. Alright, I'm just gonna check if anyone's watching or if anyone chatted. Oh, yo, Matthew, what's up? I wish I had another monitor to like see the chats. And I guess I can just like do that on my phone. Or I'm gonna just like get my phone out so I can see the chats. Then maybe just chat myself. Yeah, I don't know if that's you right now watching. Well, yo, 3 viewers. That's the most that I've had. But of course, 3 viewers including myself. Last stream we got 2 viewers including myself. So that's pretty cool. Hold on, so I'm gonna open this up on my phone. It will like give it more views though. Um, yeah. If you're still watching, can you just like message really quickly or something? Like type in the chat maybe. Then I can like see your chat. I'm still trying to open it up on my phone. Bro, why is my phone always taking forever, bro? Bro, why doesn't it like load at all? Bro, it's so delayed. Bro, I did this like 5 minutes ago. Gosh, dang, bro. Is this because of like OBS or something? Is OBS doing this? Or maybe it's just like my internet. I don't know. But it wouldn't be my internet because I'm able to live stream pretty good. Come on, so I'm gonna search up my. Wait, no, I can just go onto my profile. Or now I can like actually like see the chat. Then I don't have to like switch tabs so I see. Hold on. I'm gonna type something in the chat. Alright, well I got the chat open and I messaged something really quickly. I just want to see if I can see it on this. Yeah, okay. Alright, well I got it open on my phone, so it's kind of like another monitor, so I can see. And also 4 viewers, of course, including 2 of me. I can like turn this down all the way. Alright. Alright, now back to the actual coding. So now, um, the next thing on the list, because we finished these achievements at least, temporary boosts. I kind of want to like save that for like later in the stream, because right now I want to do, literally just everything else besides that right now. Oh yes, I'll be honest. I think I'm gonna do, um, probably prestige right now. Should I put like prestige as like a new upgrade? I think that would be cool. I'm gonna do that. Prestige. Okay, now I'm gonna make prestige cost like 100,000 or something. Move that like it's there. 100K. Oh, now that I'm like using the K for this, where's the other one? This one right here. Instead of putting that as like a chunky 1,000, I can put just 1K. There we go. Now I got that. I think I can like switch space, like put like different spots. Well, I didn't mean to do that. There we go. Okay. Alright. Oh, I'm gonna actually make, instead of this one being green, I'm gonna make it like yellow. There we go. Then that's good. Alright. And now I'm gonna set, what is it? This to 4. Then I'm gonna just duplicate this. Then if one ID equals 4, I'm gonna have to make this 115, I think. Wait, oh no, I'm gonna put this in like the very corner away from all the other ones. So I'm gonna like move that out really quickly. So prestige, you can just like go like over here next to the exit button. So that'll be Y minus 140. Hold on. Y minus 140. X 65. So I can hide that sprite. Okay. Okay, that's still spawning. Hold on, I forgot to switch the costume. Prestige. Then I can make this 99,999 or 99,999. Then we're gonna get rid of that because we don't need that. But then I can do that. I can put that in there. But I won't need this. So I won't need that either. I will set money to 0. Or no, 0 right there. Okay. And then honestly, I won't even need to set money to 0. I'm just gonna um what is it? Broadcast. It's in events. Broadcast. Right. I gotta make a new message. Prestige. Okay. Basically, I'm also gonna do when I receive prestige, um, I'm gonna set scene to main. I don't even know if I put a scene sprite in this. Oh yeah, I did. Okay. Set scene to main. Oh, actually, I won't even need that because it's already right there. Right, and then I'm going to go to my blocks, set variables. There we go. Oh yeah, one thing though, I'm gonna add a new variable multiplier. I'm gonna not show that. Then I'm gonna go over here, change multiplier by 1. I'm gonna go into when flag clicked and then set multiplier to 1. Now this is just basically gonna be like another multiplier for the fish price. I honestly forgot that there was already a fish price multiplier. So I'm going on the sell fish times price multi. I'm gonna get all of that in this big times. Then I'm gonna put times multiplier. So there's 2 multipliers now. There's the upgrade one and the prestige one. I feel like this, like I can make this prestige one like 10 times every time you prestige, just so it's like way more OP than just like spamming. So it's kind of just like, it's really worth it. So to get this, it would cost 20,000. So if I do this, that would be the same. That would cost the same price as getting um. Okay, so hold on. So if I make it to 50, then that means that the prestige would be the same price, like 50 multiplier would be the same price as prestiging and just buying this. They would both cost 100,000. So if I set this to 100, then I get like a freaking 100 times multiplier. Then this would be worth it. Okay, that's what we're gonna do. But I feel like that's too OP because you're just resetting, but with 100 times money. Oh, yo, okay, I haven't been checking chat, but yo, okay, I saw that Matthew said, "Yeah, I love your vids." Oh yeah, thanks, bro. All right, yeah, yeah. So shout out to Matthew B. I know him in real life. I've known him for about a year now. Yeah, pretty good friends. Yeah, but shout out to him. Yeah, and thanks for saying that, bro. Yo, he just said W in the chat. Okay. Yeah, thank you, bro. Um, hold on, I forgot what I was actually doing. We were doing the prestige, yeah. Then about the multiplier thing over here. So I kind of want to like give like a multiplier. It's like maybe like 10 times like I had before. 10 times multiplier with what's it called? With a new feature. But I feel like maybe like I feel oh my gosh, I can't talk. I'm sorry. I just keep on stuttering. Okay, so what I'm trying to say, so in the fishes over here, I had the list, of course. Where is it? Was it even in this sprite? I'm pretty sure it was, right? Where's the list of ideas? Where was that at? Was it upgrades? Maybe it was in upgrades. I don't know. Yeah, right here in upgrades. Okay. All right. So over here I had. Hold on. Wait, no, I'm not done with prestige yet. So over here, I'm gonna make it to where your first time prestiging, it'll unlock the upgrade tree right here, and then it'll also give you the multiplier every time you prestige. And only the first time it'll unlock the upgrade tree, then you'll just have that for the entire game. Okay, I think that's a pretty good idea. So then prestiging once is actually worth it, and all the other times it's just not. Yeah, I think that's good. You still should prestige because it unlocks more things in the game. Okay, so I'm just gonna add like a little sprite. I'm not gonna do anything in it though. This is gonna be. Well, I'm not gonna do anything yet. So this is the upgrade tree. Wall grade. Yeah, wall grade. Um, what is my friend's username? What? Which one? Yours? Matthew B. Um, yeah, I don't really know what you mean. Um, well, I'm gonna just keep on working on the game, and then I'll just wait until you like message something maybe if you end up doing that. Okay, so this is just gonna be like happy face. There you go. Test happy face. Yeah, this is what it's gonna be for now. In Roblox. Wait, which one? I have like a